Hey everybody, here's another Cos tip while I'm out at Lowe's. If you happen to be already looking for paint, check out your store section. I'm at the Lowe's right now, but I'm also near Home Depot, so Lowe's is where this video is being shot. Check out your oops section of paint, because you never know, you might luck out on the color you're looking for. I didn't, however, but you never know. Some people get colors mixed up and they decide they don't want them anymore, so they mark them down and they put them over here in this section. I would be careful about trying to get spray can stuff because sometimes it's just missing a top, but other times the tops are cracked or the nozzle's clogged or stuff like that, or it's missing a nozzle altogether. Sometimes you can always get a replacement nozzle online or at another store or stuff like that if you really want the paint. But just check out this section first if you're already going to be set on spending money at a store. Just remember that they're oops for a reason. So check out the colors. If they're like a gallon or size and you definitely want it, ask the person at the counter to shake it up for you and take it with you. I'm actually here right now because I'm hoping these Provals that I see here are discounted a little smaller. I see about 4 of them. I had to check one. So if that works out, I'll be walking out with a Proval power unit, so yay. But yeah, just check out your paint counter if you're looking for any cosplay tips. Like and subscribe, and I'll have more Cos tips for you, because I realize they don't have to be 10 minutes to be a tip, so I can just do these while I'm out. So yeah, check out Home Depot and Lowe's paint sections for their oops or their discounted stuff, because it's not trash, it's just something somebody doesn't want. It could save you $1, really. $1 for just this. Or if they don't, just mix up a color and buy it. I don't know anymore. Definitely don't buy it if it looks like that. Peace. Hey everyone, here's an update. That actually pays off. I got 4 Proval cartridges still in box because they're discontinued at the Lowe's I went to. And I got them for $1 a piece. Here's the proof. They had to mark it down to something else, but it doesn't matter. It actually paid off for me. One of these is about $4. So for the price of one, I got 4, and I don't have to buy any more for the next foreseeable month or 2 or 6, depending on how often I actually use these right now. But I have started using the first one, and now I have these. This paid off. I'm stocked up for the summer. Yay! Also, there's going to be a lot of videos using the Proval sprayer, so stick around for that. But yeah, check your oops bins at your Home Depot and Lowe's, because you never know when you might actually cash out. And I actually got the thing I actually came in for. Where is it? 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 There it is. Ta-da! Oh, there they go. This was for this. I'm doing something else with. But like, comment, subscribe, and all that other good stuff. This has been another Cos tip. Bye.